Beth and I just heading off from our beachside resort at Jibacoa, Memories Jibacoa. We're gonna ride to Hershey, town just, I think it's about 15 kilometers from here, a bit hilly. And Hershey is the town that the Hershey family built to develop their chocolate business in Cuba. So we'll take some video and see what we find in Hershey.
And I'm trying out my buff for the first time, see if it keeps my ears and forehead covered without sunscreen, and dark lenses for a change.
Well, let's hope that works too. Gotta say, it's a pretty cool place to start a bike ride from. Just heading out of our resort. It's a really quiet road that runs parallel to the highway, so I remember this from the beginning of our Fat Mary tour when we were on the same road. It's just beautiful. And along the way are some sort of low-end Cuban hostel hotel rooms. That's not one there, but there's a little further up ahead where people can stay inexpensively. It always feels kind of funny to be on a highway like this. This is the main highway coming into Havana, 50 kilometers to the east of Havana, heading west, and this is what their other national highways looks like. Very quiet. You can quite safely keep to the right and have cars pass you in the left passing lane. And the cycling road, this road is really smooth. This is the Havana Club rum factory, and I got to admit, stopping here to take a photo or some video is really pleasant because I can smell the molasses, what's left over of some of the former manufacturing facility. It's just, it's like a bit of a ruin to me, but there's a guardhouse there, several water towers. There was a lot of industrial infrastructure here at one point in time. I guess this would be the Hershey Railroad. Still trying to maintain the railroad tracks. Nope. Hand labor.
Track works?
The only thing I ever hear about tracks and railroads in Cuba is it's the most unreliable way to get around. These are still nice houses, but they're wooden. So let me guess, these were the workers' homes. It's a nice square network, completely un-Cuba-like to have square planned roads like this. Some of the rusty old bones of the former industrial past of Hershey. Another shot of the old factory. Kind of ironic seeing all the victory for Cuba signs long since worn out on the wall. Oh, amazing. We waited around for a while and we've lucked out. Here comes the train. Oh my. Ain't that something? We zigzagged around the roads trying to see where that train was going to head. And yeah, sure enough, there's people standing at the platform. We're waiting for the train. Ow. And there it goes. That is one interesting mishmash of train history. That property there looks pretty nice. I'm guessing that might have been the Hershey estate. There's some functioning businesses here. These are related to agricultural food production. And then just a really pretty building here. It's not really clear to me what this area symbolized. There's some references to some fighters in the Revolution, but obviously nobody cares about this anymore. And then it's part of a former estate. Hello, this is 1920 calling. Beautiful countryside as we cross this bridge.